Imagine you are in space, surrounded by darkness, zero gravity, and millions of kilometers away from Earth. Now think, what if a technical problem occurs and it takes months to return? What will happen? Today, we will talk about a woman who faced such dangers and completed a historic mission, Sunita Williams. In this video, we will discuss who is Sunita Williams and what is her connection to India? How was her mission planned for just 8 days, but she had to stay in space for 286 days? What problems did she face? How did she return? And what did she eat in space? What role did SpaceX and NASA play in this mission? And finally, what is her special connection with Kalpana Chawla? So, let's begin this exciting and informative video. Introduction to Sunita Williams. If we talk about the few people who have spent the most time in space, one name stands out: Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is an American astronaut of Indian origin, a well-known NASA astronaut. She was born on September 19, 1965 in the USA, but her father, Deepak Pandya, originally belonged to Julsan village in Mehsana district, Gujarat, India. Since childhood, she had a desire to do something different, and this passion took her to space. She first traveled to space in 2006 and set a record by staying there for 195 days. But her most dangerous and thrilling journey happened in 2024, where she was stuck in space for 286 days. Mission start and unexpected trouble. This mission started on June 5, 2024, when SpaceX and NASA together launched Boeing Starliner to send Sunita Williams and her partner, Butch Wilmore, to the International Space Station, ISS. But this mission was planned for only 8 days. However, due to technical failures, they couldn't return, and slowly, this mission turned into a big struggle. What problems did they face? Now think, when you go outside your home and face a problem, returning becomes difficult. But what if you are in space and there is no way back? Leak and thruster failure in spacecraft. When Starliner was commanded to return to Earth, leaks and thruster, small rocket engines, failures started. If the thrusters do not work properly, the spacecraft cannot enter Earth's gravity safely and may crash. Food and water shortage. Spending 286 days in space meant limited food supply. Sunita and her partner survived on freeze-dried soup, powdered milk, and dehydrated casserole. Mental stress. Being stuck in space for so long was mentally challenging. There is no sense of time, and being so far from home can cause stress. How did they return? After months of waiting, finally, the day came when the world took a sigh of relief. NASA and SpaceX scientists conducted several tests, and finally, the return was scheduled for March 19, 2025. The most dangerous moment. When the spacecraft entered Earth's atmosphere, its outer temperature reached 1,900 degrees Celsius. During this time, there was a 7-minute blackout, meaning contact with NASA was completely lost. This was the moment when people held their breath, because at this stage in 2003, Kalpana Chawla's spacecraft crashed and burned. But Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore's spacecraft successfully landed in the Florida Ocean. The success of this mission brought joy worldwide. Connection between Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. Both Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla were astronauts of Indian origin. Both worked for NASA, and both made history in space. This is why people often connect them with each other. What is SpaceX and its importance? SpaceX is a private company founded by Elon Musk in 2002. Its goal is to make space travel cheaper and safer. Key features of SpaceX. Its rockets can land back automatically, reducing the cost of space travel. It plays an important role in NASA missions. Starship is a rocket being developed to take humans to Mars. So friends, this was the inspiring story of Sunita Williams, which had struggles, adventure, and victory. If you liked this video, like and share it so more people can learn about the challenges of astronauts. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss such exciting and informative videos. Comment below and tell us, If you get a chance, would you like to go to space?